This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your UCard at Walmart. Your UCard is a convenient way to access health and wellness benefits, often provided by your insurance plan. It functions much like a debit card, allowing you to purchase eligible items directly at the register. Walmart is a widely accepted retailer for these cards, making it easy to utilize your benefits for essential goods. We'll cover everything you need to know for a smooth shopping experience. Making a purchase with your UCard at Walmart is straightforward. When you're ready to check out, simply present your UCard to the cashier. It's helpful to mention you're using a benefits card. You'll then swipe or insert your card just like a regular debit card. If prompted, enter your 4-digit personal identification number to authorize the transaction. This process ensures your eligible items are covered quickly and efficiently. It's important to know what your UCard covers. Generally, it's for healthy food items like fresh produce, dairy, and lean proteins, along with approved over-the-counter health products. Items such as alcohol, tobacco, and general merchandise are typically not eligible. Some cards might have a daily spending limit, perhaps around $50, so always review your specific plan details to understand your benefits fully and avoid surprises at checkout. To keep track of your benefits, you can easily check your UCard balance online through your health plan's member portal. Alternatively, the customer service number on the back of your card is available for balance inquiries and support. If you encounter any transaction issues or have specific questions about your benefits, always contact your UCard provider directly. Remember to keep your card secure and report any loss or theft immediately to prevent unauthorized use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.